Hello everyone, my name is Angelina Nadia, and today I will be reading a journal titled Key Challenge in Early Stage Software Startups. Introduction. Software startups are newly created companies with little or no operating history, producing cutting edge products. The environment of software startups is extremely dynamic, unpredictable, and even chaotic. A systematic mapping study identifies the most frequently reported contextual features of startups: general lack of research, high reactiveness and flexibility, intense time pressure, uncertain conditions, and tackling fast-growing markets. Even though startups share several similar contexts, small and web companies, the coexistence of all these features pose a new, unique series of challenges, especially in their early stage, from idea conceptualization to first time to market. Despite several studies reveal the need of early stage startups to understand the problem or solution fit, actual executions priorities development results in show a necessity to improve practice for a more effective process to obtain validate learning. However, to achieve this an understanding of the key challenge faced by startups is needed. This study aims at understanding the key challenges that are perceived and experienced by softwares startups and at the early stage of their startup initiatives. The main research question asked in our study is requirement. What are the key challenges that early stage software startup face? To answer the research questions, a mixed method research approach was employed, including both survey and case study. We first conducted a survey to obtain a general overview of the challenge that early stage software startups face. A multiple case study was then undertaken to achieve a deeper contextual understanding of the key challenges identified in the survey. The rest of this paper is organized as follows in sections. 2. Backgrounds and related work are present, drawing upon relevant software engineering and business literature. Section 3. Present the empirical research design. It is followed by the presentation of the survey and case study findings in section. The findings are further discussed in section together with the limitations of the study. The paper is summarized in section outlining the future research. For result, 4.1 key challenge perceived by early stage software startups. Based on the frequency calculation of the challenge perceived by the respondents, we obtained a list of top 10 challenges contained in 4,709 response, 80, 87 38 of the 5 5,389 complete response. The startups in the 4,709 sample vary in different market sectors, predominantly in the customer market, such as mobile and internet. 6440. They come from 90 countries around the world. The majority is from United States, 50 to 60. Canada 794. Kingdom 771. Israel 530%. India 4 uh, 50% These startups are young and on average 10 months and small in size, predominantly having two founding members. The top 10 critical challenges are present in Table 1. To make better sense of the challenge, we plot the occurrence of the top 10 challenges along the two stages, product development stage and learning process stage that the software startups were at when the survey was responded. The result is shown in figure 1. The figure is a bubble chart, XY scatter plots with bubble in categories in intersection, where the size of the bubble is determined by the number challenge corresponding to the XY coordinates. Inspecting figure 1, we can notice a malformed distribution. The respondents perceive the importance of challenge during their problem evaluation phase. However, there is not a corresponding perception during the first phase of product development. Only 3 out of 10 before having a working prototype. In order to enhance the granularity of the distributions of the challenge, we also present a multidimensional chart, see figure 2, in which the 10 challenges are grouped into 4 Macmillan et al. Venetian dimension. A close look at figure 2 reveals that the most common perceived challenge is related to market and product, both representing the 30% of the challenge, while market and product related challenge are equally important in the problem evaluation stage. In the mature stage of the product development, the market significantly impact their perception. This might be expect, however, challenges related to the market, such as strategies to acquire the first customers, can reasonably be considered from the very early stage of a startup company. In the following subsection, the top 10 perceived challenges are further illustrated in two real startup settings that we investigate on in our multiple case study to provide a richer and contextual description of the challenge. 40.2 Key challenge experience into early stage software startups. Easy Medican is a software startup that offers a mobile app for travelers to solve their health problems during their trips abroad. This app aims at helping travelers to find medication that they normally take in their home country when abroad. MovieNext is a software startup that has developed a web-based movie recommendation system as a better movie filter, customized according to viewers' interest. The profile of the two cases are present in Table 2. Both Easy, Medican, and Mofinex have experienced the key challenge identified in the survey. They are reorganized under the four dimension of Macmillan et al. And present with case context. Product related challenge. The first product related challenge is thriving in technology uncertainty in the Medican case, it is manifest as a lack of supporting technologies in collecting specific drug information from different countries. In addition, the CEO of Easy Medican comment on the lack of research to tackle this challenge. Our search criteria to find Medican was not efficient. We want to implement multiple search criteria with optimized search within the database, but we were unable to implement it because of not enough research available for these problems. On the other hand, even though all of the founders of MovieNext were quite experienced in developing recommendation system. They still had issue in adopting a new crawling algorithm for accurate information about movie trailers and providing an effective user interface designed for their early adopters. Moreover, the implementation technologies were not flexible to adapt to unforeseen change of or alternative breakthroughs. But both Easy Medican and Movie Next initially developed their MVPs based on their on intuition and experience. In the case of MovieNext, as a consequence of not properly defining MVP, the team spent a lot of time on developing the features, server-side optimization that users were not interested in. They tried by prototyping to gather early feedback and to address their technology architecturally. However, the novel solution had negative impact on the early adopters without engaging them effectively to obtain useful feedback. Market-related challenge. Attracting customers to buy a startup product is a challenging endeavor. In the case of Easy Medication, the travelers were treated as paying customers initially. The CEO observed there was positive feedback at the beginning. We got some downloads and we were satisfied. But it became quite apparent after a while that we were not making lots of progress, lots of nice perks at the beginning and lots of frustration in week after. But as soon as you launch, you discover. Meanwhile, the interview developer mentioned if we are not getting users, we should analyze the reason. There can be many reasons. Difficulty in using the application with low quality. In the case of MovieNext, the team did not a specific type of paying customer in their mind when they developed their application. They did not have a specific strategy to attract them. As illustrated by the comment from the CEO, you think that your product is cool, friends are using it, and that's it, paying customers are not coming. How to get this? That's a challenge. Targeting a nice market is particularly critical in the case of easy medicine. The CEO comment, at this moment, pharmacy are not seeing big numbers or users. They are saying, why should I invest if you don't have lot of users? This is a two-side platform. If you don't see people on the other side, you don't want to be part of it. Pharm- pharmacists, pharmacy want to see more users. In terms of delivering customer value, both Easy Medican and MovieNext did not define and validate the needs of their potential customer. In the Easy Medican case, also their understanding of customers was changing in a similar manner. MovieNext did not have any customer acquisitions strategy when they start developing the application either. Financial challenge, Easy Medican was in critical need of initial funding to continue their project. As the CEO comment, it's a challenge especially in a small day. There are not so many people to invest in startup if there is not a clear product or business plan. In software business, it is more challenging. You can create, change, and revolution several times. There were many apps similar to our app in our case. In contrast, since Movinext grabbed the opportunity to work in an incubator in Oxford, acquiring initial funding is less of an issue. The CEO said the goal of startups should be to enter an incubator because this is kind of validation of your idea that it works. Reaching the break-even point is important to keep the business running. Well, however, neither Easy Medicine or Movinex has enough customers yet to be self-sustainable. Team-related challenge. Building an entrepreneurial team implies several challenges related to teamwork and team motivation. It also includes appropriate composition of the team. For example, in the case Easy Medican, it was about keeping people involved. The CEO recalled. We did not update our developer for the past 2 months. We lost him and he took another assignment. He is not available anymore. In comparison, the challenge in building an entrepreneurial team faced by Movinex is more related to a lack of diversity in the team composition. The CEO described the situation. We are all computer scientists. There is no one who works on user experience. To build product or feature, this is one part of the business. You need people that market it, sell it, reach to customer, perform user-based experience. In our case, we don't have them. Moreover, the entrepreneurial teams in the two case studies are overburdened with lots of activities in a short time. In the case of Easy Medicine, for example, the team identified that they need to conduct interview with the stakeholders, pharmacy and practitioners. The data from this source was needed for the improvement of their business. However, all of the four founders were doing this as a part-time job and they did not have time to conduct an interview. Similarly, Moving Next was also overburdened by various activities. There were some features, movie recommendation according to user preference that they want to add to their website, but they were unable to do so due to a lack of time. As the CEO said, we know what we want to do, but we are overwhelmed by other work. There is no time. Everybody is extremely busy, and no one will dedicate full time to that. Staying focused and disciplined is not easy for these two startup teams. If any team members were less focused or lack self discipline, he would have affect the whole team. As the CEO of Easy Medican comment, two of the co-founding team members could not dedicate time to the project for 3 months because of personal commitments. The issue is that you do not only lose productivity, the remaining team become less motivated too. In the case of Nupinex, there of the she co-founders were geographically distant. Hence, this creates coordination among the team members and self-discipline become even more crucial. Everyone need to work hard and contribute as the CEO comment. Nobody respect you if you don't do anything. Especially in a startup where the team is small, everybody has to contribute. In summary, there are many challenges that are common to both the case acquiring first customer, building an entrepreneurial team, delivering customer value. Movinex is fortunate enough that they do not have financial issue being in an incubator. However, they are not yet self-sustainable. In contrast, Easy Medicine is in the first need of initial funding to continue operating. Thank you.